Jai Hind everyone. Today I will cover biography of Shahid Bhagat Singh 1907 to 1931. Early life. Born 28 September 1907 in Banga village, Lialpur district, Punjab, now in Pakistan. Family. Came from a Sikh family deeply involved in freedom struggle. His father Kishan Singh and uncles Ajit Singh and Swarn Singh were freedom fighters. Education. Studied at Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School, Lahore, later joined National College, Lahore, founded by Lala Lajpat Rai to promote nationalist education. Ideological development. Inspired by Kartarpur Kisan movement, led by his uncle Ajit Singh. At 12, he visited the Jallianwala Bagh massacre site and collected a blood-soaked soil, kept it as a reminder. Influenced by Marx, Lenin and Bolshevik Revolution 1917, developed socialist leanings, rejected arranged marriage, saying my life is dedicated to freedom of my motherland. Role in freedom struggle. First, non-cooperation movement 1920 to 1922. Initially supported Gandhi, but after Gandhi withdrew the movement post Chora Chori, Singh leaned toward revolutionary methods. Second, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association (HSRA) joined and became a leading member of believed that freedom required armed rebellion. Third, Lala Lajpat Rai's death 1928. Police lathicharge led by James Scott caused Rai's death. Bhagat Singh with Rajguru, Sukhdev and Chandrasekhar Azad plotted to avenge it. They mistakenly killed J.P. Saunders, a British police officer, instead of Scott. Fourth, Central Legislative Assembly bombing 1929. With Batukeshwar Dutt threw non-lethal bombs inside the assembly, shouting Inqilab Zindabad and surrendered intentionally to use the trial as a platform. Fifth, jail writings and hunger strike. Protested against racial discrimination of Indian prisoners. Wrote extensively on revolution, socialism and youth responsibility. Execution. Sentenced to death in Lahore conspiracy case. Hanged on 23rd March 1931 with Rajguru and Sukhdev aged only 23 years. Their execution day is remembered as Shahid Divas, Martyrs' Day. Unknown and interesting facts about Bhagat Singh. First, polyglot. Could read and write in Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, English, French and even a bit of Russian. Second, voracious reader. Read more than 200 books in jail, covering Marxism, history, literature and revolution. Third, appearance change. Grew a beard and wore turban to disguise himself after Saunders' killing. Later, cut hair and shaved beard. Rare for a Sikh at that time to escape detection. Fourth, not anti-Gandhi personally. Though he criticized Gandhi's method, he respected his commitment. Gandhi in turn called Singh brave but misguided. Fifth, slogans. Popularized Inqilab Zindabad and Down with Imperialism, which later became rallying cries of the freedom movement. Sixth, last wish. Wanted to be shot by a firing squad as revolutionary instead of hanging, but British rejected it. In fact, even British officials admitted his execution created more revolutionary spirit than any single event. Now, Legacy inspired countless youth to join freedom struggle, seen as a symbol of courage, sacrifice, modern political thought, socialism plus nationalism. His ideas on communal harmony, scientific temper, and equality are still relevant. Jai Hind. That's all about Shahid Bhagat Singh, and I'll come back with the next personality. Jai Hind, and do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.